Hi, I'm Joanna with Octapharma Plasma. Have you ever wondered what plasma is and why donating it can help save lives? When most people think about blood, they picture red blood cells. But more than half of your blood is actually made up of something called plasma. This remarkable part of your blood plays a vital role in keeping your body functioning every day, and it also helps create life-saving therapies for people living with serious medical conditions. Let's take a closer look at what plasma is, what it does, and why it's so important. Plasma is the liquid portion of your blood. In fact, it makes up about 55% of your total blood volume. Think of the plasma as your body's transportation system. It carries red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets throughout your circulatory system. It also transports nutrients from the food you eat, hormones that regulate your body, proteins that support important functions, and waste products that your body needs to remove. Without plasma, all of these essential components wouldn't be able to travel efficiently throughout your body. Even though blood looks red, plasma actually looks very different. On its own, plasma is a pale yellow or straw-colored liquid. It's mostly transparent and much lighter in color than red blood cells. If you place a blood sample into a centrifuge, a machine that spins blood at high speeds, the blood naturally separates into different layers. The top layer is plasma. Below that is a thin layer of white blood cells and platelets called the buffy coat. The bottom layer contains the red blood cells, which give blood its familiar red color. So what exactly is plasma made of? About 90 to 95% of plasma is water. That water serves as the delivery system that helps transport everything your body needs. The remaining portion contains proteins, electrolytes, hormones, nutrients, antibodies, and other important substances. Some of the most important proteins found in plasma include albumin, which helps maintain fluid balance, globulins, which support your immune system, and fibrinogen, which helps your blood clot after an injury. Together, these components help your body stay healthy, fight infections, heal wounds, and maintain the right balance of fluids throughout your body. Plasma doesn't just help your own body, it also helps save the lives of others. Donated plasma is used to create specialized therapies that treat people living with a variety of serious and chronic medical conditions. These therapies help patients with immune disorders, bleeding disorders such as hemophilia, and certain rare diseases. Plasma-derived therapies are also used to help burn victims, trauma patients, and people recovering from major medical emergencies. Because these therapies rely on proteins that naturally exist in human plasma, donated plasma is an essential part of modern medicine. One of the reasons plasma is so valuable is that it can't be manufactured in a laboratory. The proteins needed to create these life-saving therapies can only come from human donors. As the demand for plasma-derived medicines continues to grow around the world, so does the need for people willing to donate. Every donation contributes to a larger effort to improve, and in many cases, save lives. If you're interested in becoming a plasma donor, visit your local Octapharma Plasma Donation Center to learn more about the donation process, eligibility requirements, and how you can help support patients who depend on plasma-derived therapies. Thank you for watching, and thank you to everyone who chooses to donate plasma and help make a difference. Donate today.